Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in this video, I'll be showing you guys a quick tutorial on how I do my eyebrows. I hope you guys find this video helpful. Thank you so much for watching. So I usually start off by combing my eyebrows upwards. I fill in my eyebrows with a Precisely My Brow pencil in a shade 3.5.
Go again, you say you want your freedom. Well, who am I to keep you down? It's only right that you should play the way you feel it. But listen carefully to the sound of your loneliness.
Then I apply concealer to frame my eyebrows.
And what you love, and what you have, and what you love, what you have, and what you love.
I use a cotton swab to remove the excess amount of concealer. And then I apply the 24-hour brow setter to set my eyebrows.